guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going to IKEA for maybe the 1000th time. I don't know. We've been there a lot of times. I think हम ही सबसे ज़्यादा गए हैं IKEA entire Bangalore में because it's nearby to my place and my place is far for literally everybody else who lives in Bangalore. So we've been there a lot. My mom loves everything home decor, and since she found out IKEA was gonna come here, it's been more than a year or so. 2 years, I don't know, but yeah, she was pretty excited to come, and she still every time we go to IKEA, she's the same excited. Initially, I had posted my first vlog when I had, my first visit to IKEA, and I've done some hauls as well. But I had mentioned that the food is like pretty average, like they could do a lot better with the food, and I just wanted to do an update on that because since I've been there like a lot of times, I have some recommendations for you guys. If you haven't yet tried IKEA, I would like to suggest some food that you guys should try from that place. I had like a very late morning. I only woke up around 10ish. I think it was pretty late for me, but yeah, having my badam and walnut, which I was supposed to have before breakfast and before going to the gym. I did not go today, so. And this dress, this is like such a breezy go-to dress from Max that I had got like very long back, and I still just throw it on when I have like no patience to do anything. Like patience ही नहीं होता है जब कुछ ready होने में, तो I just throw this on. Let's go to IKEA, guys. Reach IKEA. Nowadays my makeup is kind of sitting well on my face. Guys, we were fooled very badly by ourselves. किसी ने हमें fool नहीं किया, but the offer 50% off, it was going on from 5 to 9 PM. हम लोगों ने जो चाहिए था उठा लिया, जो जाके कैशियर को दे रहे हैं 50% ऑफ है, वो बोल रही है नो. क्यों नो? And then she's like, it's only from 5 PM to 9 PM, but tomorrow it's going on the whole day. दिखा देती हूँ हमने क्या क्या लिया है. This is all we got. We got this chicken wings platter. This is a new thing that I wanted to try. This is an old thing that I've tried and I loved it. It is a shrimp sandwich. It's very low in calories as well, so if you are looking for something healthy and nutritious, you can go for this. I loved this the previous time I had it. It's a cheese patty with herb rice. And this faluda, I don't know what this is. पानी है ये एकदम.
गर्मी में
बादाम मिल्क है.
फलूदा बोल के बादाम मिलते हैं.
फालूदा बोल के बादाम मिल्क. वेरी बड़ ओके. This is the OG IKEA cheesecake that I love. I love it. It's something about it. It's not like the best cheesecake I've had, but I love this cheesecake for the way it is. And the other options that I would love you to try, that I would love for you guys to try, is the chicken tikka rice, the chicken tikka curry with rice. Please try that when you are in IKEA. And the chocolate cake. I did not want chocolate today. I didn't feel like eating chocolate, so I got cheesecake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 50% ऑफ होगा कितना में मिलता? Good. देखने में लगता है कि कुछ मसाला नहीं है इस पे, but there are flavors popping inside. Better than KFC. Usually everybody goes for the chicken tikka with rice and all of that. They have improved their food a lot. So original Swedish food is very bland. Very bland. So this is an Indian version of it, and I love it. Cheese patty with herb rice. Let's try it. So good. This I would rate it a 10 on 10 for me. I loved this the previous time. I think I overheated it in the oven. Oh, you're supposed to heat the cold food in the oven if you don't want it cold. Now we'll review this Faluda. I think IKEA वालों को Faluda का meaning Google पे ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि क्या क्या डालते हैं. तो seriously कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें, पानी है. सेवियां पता नहीं वो भी नहीं है. Chia seeds and looks like badam milk. वो कुछ तो बोलते हैं ना, शरबत नहीं, क्या होता है वो, एक वेडिंग्स में दे डू दिस प्री वेडिंग ड्रिंक, ऐसा कुछ तो, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, चीज केक. जन्नत 20 out of 10. सिंस आपने एंजॉय किया मील, क्या क्या अच्छा लगा? ठीक है, ये चिकन विंग्स को कितना रेट करोगे आउट ऑफ 10? 11. मम्मी को बहुत अच्छा लगा. और ये राइस, हर्ब राइस, चीज पैटी विद हर्ब राइस. 9. My mom doesn't like cheese that much and yeah. और वो दूसरा वाला सैंडविच, श्रिम्प सैंडविच, 8. Oh my god, okay. The Faluda? 7. Cheesecake?
10 on 10.
Oh, 10 on 10. चीज पसंद नहीं बट चीज केक पसंद है. फिल्टर कॉफी डिकॉक्शन भी बेच रहे. They have different varieties of jams and sauces. If you didn't know, IKEA food is also a very big thing. So, yeah. कुछ है. 5 बजे के बाद लेंगे तो 50% मिलेगा. Just look at this dream setup. Look at this corner. Oh my god. So cute. So pretty. Just look at this room. Oh my god. They changed a lot of places. Oh my god. Like these cushion covers. Looks kind of classy. Getting those. I actually have these pink ones already and I just have one of those. So कितने का है? लिखा नहीं है कहीं पे. This one is for $3.99. I don't know for what joy, but okay. I mean, obviously there's a lot of this.
$5.99. 559 का 3.99.
So one thing about IKEA is that जो भी price इसमें पीछे mentioned होता है, that's not the price they're selling at. So whatever price is mentioned here, it says 2011 rupees. Oh my god, that's not the price. The price is 999. So yeah, it's like I'm gonna enter somebody's room. Wow. Oh my god, so pretty. So pretty. Look at this kitchen. Sometimes I just can't believe there's so much beauty in this world. I mean, come on. It's not even like a house. It's just a setup, but it looks so good. That's the power of art for y'all. Look at that. Oh my god. The inner nerd in me is feeling like, that's nice. Who's gonna tell my mom? But okay. That one looks really funny to me for some reason. Okay. Now they have these artificial planters in set of 3. It's just kept randomly. किधर गए थे लास्ट टाइम? लाइफस्टाइल वो क्या था? होम सेंटर. There we are getting 4 pieces for just 5.99. 6 pieces for just 6.99. Damn. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? इतना तो बड़ा था वो भी.
लंबा था हैंडल उसका.
हाँ तो वो भी उतना ही है, कोई इतना उसके जितना एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. क्या? They have all things fancy. That's space. That's so boho. That's really chic. Wow. मम्मी ने बोला IKEA का पिंक देखो देखो गाइस. देखो और भी पिंक. मेरे को हार्ट वाला लाइट चाहिए था जो किसी ने मेरे को नहीं खरीद के दिया, ना ही मैंने खरीदा. बस चाहिए, खरीदने के लिए नहीं चाहिए, बस चाहिए. The beds are like so comfortable. I just want to fall asleep in one of these. I had like a very big meal, you guys saw, right? इतना सारा खाना खा लिया. Yeah, to walk a lot. ये क्या है? Wow. कलर कलर खोपड़ी. कलर खोपड़ी बोला. Oh my god. फैंसी. इसके ऊपर क्या है? किसी ने बनाया है पेन लेके. ये नहीं था, इसके लिए फनी लग रहा है. My god. IKEA staff. Complain. यहाँ पे गेमर्स पैराडाइज लिखा है and I am also a low-key gamer nowadays, but this is not how it would be because I am not a guy, obviously. क्या ये कैरोसिन लैब? इसके जैसा दिखता है. हाँ, so cute. कितना अच्छे से जल रहा है देखो. ये भी जलेगा. Wow. Yay. You're the light of my life. Area is literally all stuffed toys everywhere, even on the hanger. So cute. Oh, leopard print. Oh, leopard it is. बच्चों का किचन सेट है, उनको स्पेशलाइज्ड शॉर्ट मेकिंग क्लासेस बनाया गया है. ये देखो, ये बहुत क्यूट है. मम्मी नहीं मिलेगा ये खरीदने को?
प्लास्टिक की क्वालिटी बहुत
अच्छा है ना. कितने का है ये? 199 है. वाह, ले लो. Wow, so cute. We are getting this plant. So pretty. ये क्या है? It is Birkin. Wow. They have a Birkin plant. We can't have a Birkin bag, but we can have a Birkin plant. Mommy? So pretty. Kitchen area. A lot of things that I'm not interested in currently. This looks so pretty though. Look at the bowl. Wow. Look at these. मेरी मम्मी बहुत खुश हो गई इसको देख के. Oh my god. You wanted to get this. It also looks really pretty. I mean, it's like a cup cum glass. I don't know how to explain that, but it's just so nice. I love this. We actually have this already. But yeah, I love the color. This color is so good. कितने का है ये? नहीं, not my style. But ये देखो भाई, ये क्या है? केमिस्ट्री ग्लास लग रहा है जार. ये क्या है क्या? Reminds me of the matcha that I cannot make yet. Hello, gift मेरी तरफ से. कितने
इसमें देखो ये डिजाइन है, जैसा लग रहा है कि दाग लगा हुआ है।
डिजाइन नहीं है, वैसे ही है इसका इफेक्ट. The little mini IKEA haul at the end of the video, so stay tuned. It was cute, but look at these colors. These look better somehow. Look at that. Oh, so nice. It's getting a blanket from my friend. So cute. The most prettiest section of IKEA is the lighting section. They have varieties, like literal huge number of varieties of every kind of light that you want. I so want to get those beauty ones, the ones with all bulbs around. It's so good for like some restaurant decor or something. है ना? Look at these bulbs. Fancy stuff everywhere. This. Wow! Fancy. This plant has been in my home for a while now and they've reduced the price. Just look at it. Should I regret it? Wow. Wow. So pretty. वो देखो कितना अच्छा है. Fake plants, and in this section there's real plants as well. One thing about IKEA is that it's so big. You just keep walking, never ends. We just found some random chair that they're selling. Just sit on that. So that's what we're doing right now. We're back home and I wanted to show you guys all the things that we got today, and I'll end the vlog here. These cushion covers, 2 of them for a bigger cushions. These ones are also from IKEA. We want to change these and give our house a little different look. That's why we got these. These would match the walls somehow. Next up, I got these pastel bowls and pastel spoons. These are like the IKEA OG stuff that anybody can get. This is literally for just 99 rupees. Pieces of 6. Yes, there are 6 bowls in this, and there is 4 spoons for just 25 rupees. And they are very high quality plastic. It does not feel like it's something जल्दी टूट जाएगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. The thing is that we already have these. I have got this for a friend who has never been to IKEA. I'll be giving her these. And I got one more thing for my friend, that is this pink throw. It's a throw or a blanket, you can call it either ways. It's a knitted blanket. So she told me she didn't have it in pink, so I got this for her. It's so cute. And the price of this throw was just 8.99 rupees. And he got this gloves. I mean, it's always an essential you need for cleaning purpose at home. So this was for just 119, yeah. And I got this so adorable plant. Look at it, it's so beautiful. Look at the color of it. It's a chrysanthemum or chrysanthemum. I don't know how you spell it properly, but I call it chrysanthemum. Look at it. So beautiful. On to the last thing that I got was this. I don't know why did I get this, but this is so cute. It looked so adorable. These what do you call this? This is like a shot glass but made of very good quality plastic. Okay, just look at it. Oh, it's so cute, so cute. Look at it, so cute. I'm the easiest person to convince something is cute. Look at it. I have it in so many different colors. Love it. Have it in so many different colors. I forgot to show this in the video, but we also got this huge cup that I was showing you guys. It's just ginormous. How do I show the size comparison? Just a second. Look at the size difference. This can easily be like a Maggi bowl. You can have Maggi in this fancy stuff. I got a very good response on my previous Rameshwaram vlog. That's why I wanted to vlog this day as well. If you guys want me to make a vlog on any other place in Bangalore that you guys want to try or something, I definitely love going there and film. If you guys are interested in watching any of those videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video and share it with your friends. So that is it for today's video, guys. I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.